So today was Amazon day and I got a ton of packages in today. So I figured I would do a haul for you guys and go through what I bought. I'll go through the things that I bought for myself first, and then I'll go through some of the Christmas gifts that I bought for other people. So first up, I got this one shoulder bodysuit. It's a little wrinkly right now, but it has fringe on the one sleeve, and I thought it was really cute and really different, and I thought this would be cute to wear to a fall concert. Hopefully that fits me because your girl is thick. The next thing I got is this jewelry case. It has a glass top and it has 12 compartments on the inside for, I think it's meant for bracelets, but I have a lot of big statement earrings and that's what I wanted this for. So that's what I'm going to use it for. And I thought that the slots were large enough to fit some of my larger earrings, so that's why I got this. I already have one that's meant for earrings that has 40 earring slots, and I love that one, so I knew that I would like this one too. So I think this is my favorite thing that I got. Look at these sneakers. What? These are Dolce Vita, and they weren't too expensive, to be honest. I think they were on sale. And y'all, I just cannot get over these. Look at these things. They are super cute. They're slip-on and they're true to size. I love these and I can't wait to wear them. That's all I got for myself. Everything else is Christmas gifts, and I'm not gonna say who they're for because those people may be watching. So the first thing that I got are these yellow box sandals. These are just flip-flops, and these are the best sandals in the world, or flip-flops in the world. They are super, super cushiony. They kind of mold to your feet, and they are just super comfortable, and this is the white, and it's white glitter, and they're stunning. I'm not going to pull these out of the box entirely, but I got these string lights that are on remote control that comes with the little clothespins so you can hang pictures, and here's the remote control so you can change the colors, and I think you can make them flicker and things like that, but I thought this would be cute for someone in my family. If you have someone in your family that loves horses, these t-shirts are adorable. This just says just a girl who loves Jesus and horses. Super cute. I got the purple, but it comes in a couple of different colors. This was on one of my relatives' wish lists. This is the Blue's Clues cash register. That's kind of hard to say, but this looks super fun, and I know that that family member is gonna love it. Next is this Frozen inspired makeup kit for little girls. It has some lipsticks, eyeshadow, blush, nail file, brushes, some nail polish, and a couple of other things, but I thought this was super cute. Then I got this mermaid terrarium that comes with chia seeds and